In this video, I will show academic advisors how to download a copy of their roster of all of their advisees. Log into the portal, select Advising Student Profile from Quick Links, select the term from the drop-down menu, and then click on View Advisee Listing. Here, once you see the spreadsheet, click on the wheel at the top right-hand corner next to your name, and then select Export Advisee Listing. Select the spreadsheet format that you want to download, and then click on Export. There are several known deficits to this roster. One, the Excel file that you download does not include the student emails. So if you want to email your students as a group, you will need to do so directly from the browser by clicking on Email All, and that will automatically populate the default email software on your computer. And two, you will need to email individual students by clicking on each individual student profile, or click on the student email from My Degree Tracker. The other known deficit is that the roster only includes currently registered students for the term that you selected from the drop-down menu. If you select a term for which students have not yet registered, you will get an error message saying that you do not have students assigned to you for the term that you selected. In a situation like this, based on the different deficits that we have alluded to here, you will need to select the term for the current semester for which you are advising, and you will see on your roster only the students who are registered for that term. Unfortunately, the roster will exclude any students who might be active but not registered for the term that you selected. We have shared our concerns with Advsee and hope that future releases of Banner will include some of the feedback that we have shared about these concerns, about how advisee rosters are accessed and downloaded. And at the top of our wish list is the inclusion of student emails from the drop-down menu, allowing us to download a copy of the Excel spreadsheet from the roster. In the meantime, these are the known issues, and we hope you can work with what is made available to us by Advsee. Thanks for watching.